Everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can tie the double endless falls knot for all your macrame projects. Let's get started. Start by attaching 2 cords to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now make sure these lark's head knots are a little bit loose because we're going to insert our 3rd cord right through both lark's head knots underneath the dowel rod. Pull that 3rd cord until it is even on both sides, and then you can tighten up your lark's head knots to secure everything into place. Now take your outer 2 cords and cross the left over the right to form a loop. Pinch it right where everything connects in the middle so you see 2 well-defined loops on the left and the right. Take the 2 middle cords on the far right, take them up and over to go through the right loop. Then take the middle left 2 cords up and around to go through the left loop. And when you look at those 2 cords that you just crossed over, you want them to lay nice and neat next to each other. You don't want them to be crossed at all. Then you can just pull those outer cords to tighten up the knot, while also tugging on those middle cords to smooth and adjust as well. And that is our first double endless falls knot. And now we just repeat. So once again, the left cord crosses over the right to form your loop. We're going to pinch it right here in the middle so we see 2 well-defined loops. Then take those middle 2 right cords up and around to go through the right loop. Take the middle 2 left cords up and around to go through the left loop, and then just take a peek to make sure your ropes aren't crossed as you tighten this up. And that is all there is to this, so we just keep repeating these steps over and over until we have reached the desired length. There we go. This is what your pattern will look like once you have tied a few rows. It makes a really cool effect that looks like the endless falls knot, but is bigger across, giving it a whole new effect. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.